On this video I will share with you the best, fastest, safest and easiest way to replace your front shock absorbers on most 4x4 Toyota vehicles. I've noticed many mechanics struggling with the lower control arm stabilizer and steering while changing the front shock absorber. I will share with you the best way from my experience to get this job done. On this particular vehicle I had an Oldman EMU BP51 suspension kit with remote reservoir. I removed the shock in order to adjust and correct the height. When using shocks with lower bushing, I recommend tightening the bolt when the vehicle is at driving height to prevent excessive wear. Don't forget to perform wheel alignment after any suspension job. If you want to see more of my videos about off-road modification, differentials and suspension, please press the subscribe button.